The night is not so scary when you know how to fly. But when your wings are broken, you start praying for the light. Please keep waiting for the morning. Don't give up too soon. Jesus cares for every sparrow. I know he cares for you. Oh, please, don't give up too soon. When you're left out in the open, you feel every drop of rain from every storm that passes, every hour of the day. Please keep waiting for the morning. Don't give up too soon. Jesus cares for every sparrow. I know he cares for you. Oh, please, don't give up too soon. When it feels like you have fallen to the bottom of a well, oh, there is nothing braver than calling out for help. Please keep waiting, hope is coming. Don't give up too soon. Jesus cares for every sparrow. I know he cares for you. Oh, please, don't give up too soon. He waits with you. Don't give up too soon. as I feel about your heart. We walk in circles, we walk in blind, we are far apart. I am falling, I am falling, I am falling into you. You are standing right beside me, I can't hide. I feel like there's 1,000 miles between.
Welcome, I'm Lorie Fossa, a professional artist and certified Zentangle teacher with over 30 years of experience in a wide range of mediums. I'm currently working on a new book series called Whimsical Wonders. I'm passionate about all things art. After overcoming a debilitating depression that stripped me of my passion, one of the things that helped me the most was the process of Zentangle. You don't have to be an artist or even draw. If you can draw these 5 marks, you can learn the art of Zentangle. I'm so thrilled you're here.
Perfect timing.